Hi and welcome to Cook Chez Toi. Let's make some oatmeal banana pancakes. In a high-speed blender, let's put 1.5 cups of oats. I'm using old-fashioned oats. We are simply making oat flour as a base for our pancakes. This whole grain flour is so rich in nutrients such as phosphorus, copper, vitamin B1, magnesium, fiber. It's so good for your digestion. Oats also reduce your serum cholesterol level, and they're really high in protein and healthy fats. To get our oat flour, we are letting the blender run for 5 minutes. Okay, let's check the consistency of our flour. It looks good to me, but you decide if you want to blend it some more. You're the boss in your kitchen. Transfer our flour to a mixing bowl and start adding other dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, an 1/8 of salt. What salt? Trust me, it tastes amazing. Whisk the dry ingredient together. The same blender, add 1 cup of your choice of milk. I use vanilla almond milk for this recipe because it's sweet. 1 ripe banana. Look at the brown spot on my banana. It's ripe. 1 egg. The egg will create structure and stability within the batter. And let's not forget the enhancer flavor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We will go ahead and blend all those wonderful ingredients together for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they are well combined. Next, we will add the dry ingredients to our wet ones and mix everything until it is well incorporated in the flour. Let's start cooking our lovely pancakes. On a frying pan on medium heat, I use butter to grease it. You can use anything you have on hand. Scoop about 1/3 of a cup of batter to the pan and let the magic begin. I started seeing faces on my pancake. I swear, it was really weird and fun at the same time. You want to cook your pancake face for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And get ready for the dreaded flip. Use a spatula or go crazy if you're like me. Boom, perfect. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your pancakes with some chocolate or syrup. You will love it. Don't forget to subscribe and keep cooking at home.